at the, we're doing an unboxing for the Maverick key cutting machine right here. Brand new machine coming out from Lock Labs. Let's go ahead and open this and see what's included. All right, first thing I pulled out looks like the accessories, which we have 2 decoders, a 2.0 millimeter cutter, and a 1.5 millimeter cutter right here. Also comes with the Allen key. Looks like 2.5 millimeter on that one, so you could actually remove these cutters and decoders. I have pulled out the actual key cutting jaw for the machine right there. What else do we have? Looks like a USB cable for the manual software updates. And then this one looks like a block for the standard keys that you'll be able to cut on there. Next one, similar only for Honda keys on that. And then right here we have, looks like replacement belts and a shoulder stop with some replacement set screws to hold those cutters and decoders in, and what looks like the calibration key so you can calibrate the machine. Looks like we got replacement foot pads or rubber pads, looks like, I believe, for the handle, maybe for the bottom, we'll find out. Got the cleaning brush right here. And then last but not least, we have the power supply. Probably one of the most important parts of this whole shindig. Let's go ahead and move on to the machine. All right, machine comes wrapped up. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. In place of the screen, the Maverick Max has a screen on top, but in place of this for the normal Maverick, we've got what looks like a storage case for any of your accessories. Nice little storage case, and just flip it over and you got it covered. So we got the shield, which we can go ahead and unwrap when we're ready to use it. Nice for protection. All right, found out that those rubber feet are for the handle right here. So yeah, in case you ever need to replace those, you got a replacement set. All right, yeah. All right, yeah, we can go ahead and close that up. Yeah, that is the unboxing for the Maverick.